Imagine you're juggling a dozen balls in the air. Work projects, personal tasks, deadlines, and life commitments. How do you keep them all spinning without dropping a single one? That's where Asana comes in. Ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer volume of tasks on your to-do list? Or maybe you've struggled to keep track of progress on multiple projects at once. So you're not alone. And that's exactly why Asana was created. What is Asana? Asana is a powerful project management tool that helps teams and individuals organize, prioritize, and track work. It's like a digital workspace where you can bring all your tasks, projects, and team members together in one place. Key features of Asana. Let's dive deeper into some of the key features that make Asana a game changer. Task management. Create and assign tasks to individuals or teams. Set due dates, add priorities, and attach relevant files. Use subtasks to break down larger projects into smaller, more manageable steps. Project management. Organize tasks into projects and create timelines. Assign ownership and set project goals. Track progress and identify potential bottlenecks. Team collaboration. Collaborate with team members in real time. Share comments, files, and updates. Use @mentions to tag specific people or teams. Customizable workflows. Create custom workflows to fit your team's unique processes. Use templates to streamline common tasks. Automate repetitive tasks with rules and automations. Integrations. Connect Asana with other popular tools like Google Calendar, Slack, and Dropbox. Streamline your workflow and avoid switching between multiple applications. Benefits of using Asana. Now that you know the basics, let's talk about why Asana is so beneficial. Increased productivity. By organizing your work and prioritizing tasks, you can improve your focus and efficiency. Improved collaboration. Asana makes it easy for teams to communicate, share information, and stay aligned on goals. Better visibility. With real-time updates and progress tracking, you can always see where projects stand and identify potential issues. Enhanced accountability. Asana helps ensure that everyone is accountable for their tasks and deadlines. Reduce stress. By having a clear overview of your workload, you can reduce stress and avoid feeling overwhelmed. Use cases for Asana. Asana is suitable for a wide range of teams and individuals, including freelancers and solopreneurs. Manage projects, track income and expenses, and collaborate with clients. Small teams. Organize tasks, assign responsibilities, and track progress on projects. Large organizations. Manage complex projects, coordinate teams, and ensure alignment with company goals. Students. Stay organized, manage assignments, and collaborate with classmates. Getting started with Asana. Ready to give Asana a try? Here's a quick guide to getting started. Create an account. Visit Asana's website and sign up for a free account. Set up your workspace. Customize your workspace to fit your team's needs. Create projects and tasks. Start adding projects and tasks to your workspace. Assign tasks and set deadlines. Assign tasks to team members and set due dates. Collaborate and communicate. Share comments, files, and updates with your team. So what's the main aim of Asana? It's to help you and your team work smarter, not harder. By organizing your tasks, collaborating effectively, and tracking progress, you can achieve more and reduce stress. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.